Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply green strange effect to your face in CapCut apps. So that on your project, select your video you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. So here's there is a video, and I'm going to add the green strange effect. Just click on effect, select body effect, and then select dark or no, you can select Christmas, and here is green strange. This is pro effect. You have to join propers to be able to use this effect, so click on it again to just for intensity, and then filter, check marks, and adjust for the duration. Alright, here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. Yeah, it is the awesome filters in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.